So in the previous class we came to know little bit about Dr. Rajendra Prasad, who was the first president of independent India, and he was also elected as the president of Indian National Congress twice in the year 1939 and also in the year 1943. Hala? And this chapter marriage is collected from his autobiography, which is written by the writer Dr. Rajendra Prasad. बुझिएला. So marriage is a special occasion, as we discussed in the previous class, childhood. नहीं that how on what was the view of Jawaharlal Nehru on Indian marriages and Indian wedding ceremonies, how it is it is a feature of extravagance and waste. मुझे लगे नहीं. But here is quite different topic. We will come to know that in the at the age of 13, when he was in the 5th standard, the person Dr. Rajendra Prasad got married. Naigi.
Yes.
So how he got married, how it was an adventurous journey on the part of the person Dr. Rajendra Prasad, we came to know in the previous class. It was full of adventure. But before that, I would like to tell something about the standard of those two, जो bride and groom. बुझेला. Actually, when the person Jawaharlal Nehru, when Dr. Rajendra Prasad was in his village during the summer vacation, two persons were sent by his father. And why they had come to his village? Actually, they had come to visit Dr. Rajendra Prasad and to see Dr. Rajendra Prasad. And we knew that they were one was the father of bride and another was the younger brother of the father of the bride. Naigi. So they were there to decide whether the person Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the perfect match for their daughter or not. Bujela. And finally the person Dr. Rajendra Prasad was there to give some to give answers of the questions put by the bride's father and his younger brother. Bujela. And finally they decided it would be, or the person Dr. Rajendra Prasad would be suitable match for their daughter, and they departed from that place. And after that the arrangements were made by those two family, the family of Dr. Rajendra Prasad and another was the family of bride. The tilak ceremony was arranged few days later, and we came to know that what were those things presented by the bride's party, and also what were those presentations presented by, or what were those gifts, and as per the costume how it was presented by Dr. Rajendra Prasad's family. As I told you, the family was too big. Car Dr. Rajendra Prasad's family बहुत बड़ा थिला, and their family or their status was quite nil, and they were struggling and they were suffering a lot. Their financial status was not that much strong. बुझिएला.
Yes.
So the father of Dr. Rajendra Prasad wanted to arrange his son's marriage in a grand way. बुझिएला.
Yes.
And the day was fixed. बुझिएला. They would fix it, and they had to go to the bride's house, and it was a journey of 2 days, and it was 40 miles away from their village. बुझिएला. And the procession and the bridegroom's party was too big. It was too difficult task to complete the journey in 1 day. It was going to be taken 2 days. बुझिएला. 2 दिन journey थिला, and it was not going to be complete in a day. गोटे दिन journey न थिला. They had to stay a night, or they had to spend a night at the Sarju river, at the bank of the Sarju river. बुझिएला कि नहीं? And समस्त जिनस विषय आम डिस्कसन करते केमती हाथी घोड़ा को लेकर जाइए ना नाई. And when they reached, how हाथी तो मिलना नहीं, only one elephant was arranged by his father, and that is why the father of Dr. Rajendra Prasad was feeling very sad because he was not able to arrange elephant जोड़ा दरकार थिला से सब elephant जोगाड़ करि पार नथले. And finally that one elephant was also returned because it was too difficult task to take that elephant with them. Hala. And the elephant was not able to cross the river properly, and the mount of the elephant both returned. बुझिएला. And the person, that is why the father of Dr. Rajendra Prasad was feeling sad. बुझिएला कि नहीं? Hmm. So the bride's party were getting nervous because of the delay in our arrival, and why they had the delay we knew about it. नहीं कि delay कौन ପାଇଁ ହେଲା ଆମେ ଜାଣି ପାରିଲେ ନା नहीं. The delay was due to arrangements of elephant बुझेला कि नहीं, those who were returning when or after marriages were over. ଯେତେବେଳେ ମ୍ୟାରେଜ୍ ସରିଲା ପରେ ସେମାନେ ରିଟର୍ନ ହେଉଥିଲେ ସେ ଟାଇମ୍ରେ ତାଙ୍କର ଦେଖା ହେଲା ଆଣ୍ଡ ଆଫ୍ଟର ବିଙ୍ଗ ଡିସ୍କସ୍ଡ ୱିଥ୍ ଦ ମାଉଣ୍ଟ ଦେ ଆରେଞ୍ଜଡ ସମ୍ ଏଲିଫେଣ୍ଟସ୍. ବୁଝିହେଲା କିଏ? ଦ ଫାଦର ଅଫ୍ ଡକ୍ଟର ରାଜେନ୍ଦ୍ର ପ୍ରସାଦ. The bride's party were getting nervous because of the delay in our arrival, and though relieved when at last we arrived, they were a bit disappointed as our party was not to their expectation in pomp and show. They were too late. Okay? The bridegroom party was too late, and we knew that why they were too late. But after seeing the ornaments and other dresses, sweets, and all the presentations, they were looking very happy. Okay? The bride's party. The father of bride and their family members were looking happy when they saw the ornaments and the other presentations. Bujala?
Yes.
We discussed that much only. Bujala, and we are moving to the next unit 3. As the author was a teenager, the marriage ceremony was child's play for him, a family affair. So in this unit we are going to discuss that how his marriage was arranged and what it meant to the person Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Marriage बोलिए, what was the concept in the mind of the person Dr. Rajendra Prasad? How much or how he knew about his marriage, how much he knew about his marriage, that we are going to discuss. So केते पर्यंत जानिथिले, as I told you, as you told me in the previous class, that in the when he was in the 5th standard, when he was studying, or when he was just 13 years old, see the person Dr. Rajendra Prasad got married. ତମେ ସେତେବେଳେ ମୋତେ ପଚାରିଥିଲ ଗୋଟେ ଶିଶୁ ହେଇକରି କେମିତି ଏତେ ଶୀଘ୍ର ମ୍ୟାରେଜ୍ ହେଇଗଲେ. So he didn't know much about marriage. ବୁଝିଲା, he just knew it was just a child game. ବୁଝିଲା, it was a play of a child, ଗୋଟେ ଖେଳ ଗେମ୍ ବୋଲି ସେ ଭାବୁଥିଲେ. ବୁଝିଲା. So as I said, when our party arrived at the journey's end, it was late in the night and I had fallen asleep in the palki. As I told you, he was just a small kid and he didn't know much about it, and as per his concept it was like a game of child, or it was a game, or it was a play for children. That is what he knew, and he had fallen asleep in the palki because he was too much tired. किए the person Dr. Rajendra Prasad. तुम जमती मत पचारथिले पूर्व क्लास रे सर एमाने कोन एमती छोटो बेलो मैरेज कर दोतले. Actually he didn't know much about his marriage. बुझियला, everything it was arranged by his father and other elder members of his family. He just was the person who was going to get married. That much only he knew, and he was there in the palki and he had fallen asleep during his marriage. ଯେତେବେଳେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ମ୍ୟାରେଜ୍ ହେବାକୁ ଯାଉଥିଲା ସେ କ'ଣ ହେଇଥିଲା, ଶୋଇ ପଡ଼ିଥିଲେ. The prenuptial ceremonies had to be gone through, and it was quite a job for my people to wake up the boy bridegroom. ବୁଝିଲା. After 2 days tedious journey, tedious ବୋଲି କହିଲେ କ୍ଳାନ୍ତିକର ଯାତ୍ରା, it was with a Herculean effort that I managed to keep my eyes open through the ceremonies. The wedding took place the same night. I told you that he was too tired and it was a 2 days of journey, and he was just a small kid and he didn't know much about his marriage, and he was not that much serious about his marriage. He just was thinking that it was just a game, or it was just a game of children. Bujhela? And so it is mentioned here, the prenuptial ceremonies had to be gone through, and it was quite a job for my people. That means it was the job, or it was the duty of his people to wake him up. ବୁଝିଲା, ତାଙ୍କୁ ଉଠେଇବାର ଦାୟିତ୍ୱ ଥିଲା ତାଙ୍କର ଲୋକମାନଙ୍କର. and as I told you that he had fallen asleep in the palki. ସେ ପାଲିଙ୍କିରେ ଏକା ସେ ଶୋଇ ପଡ଼ିଥିଲେ. ବୁଝିଲା. So it was the duty of his elder members to wake him up, who was just a boy. ରାଇଟର ଥିଲେ ନିଜେ ଜଣେ ଗୋଟେ ଛୋଟ ବାଳକ, and ସେ ଜାଣିନଥିଲେ ମ୍ୟାରେଜ୍ ବିଷୟରେ ଏତେ ଜିନିଷ. ତାଙ୍କର ଏଲ୍ଡର ମେମ୍ବର ମାନଙ୍କର କାମ ଥିଲା ତାଙ୍କୁ ଉଠେଇବା ନିଦରୁ. Somehow he managed to keep his eyes open during his journey, but when he arrived he was not able to tolerate the pain, the burden. Bujhiyala? And he had fallen asleep in the palki. That is why the wedding took place the same night. And he said here, or he has written here, that the wedding took place in the same night. Sei dino ratire hi marriage heitila tankaro. Bujhiyala? Details of the ceremonies I do not recollect. The details of the story, or the details of the marriage, the writer is not able to forget, and that is why he has not mentioned here. I do not recollect. Mone poke porni. When a child, I used to join my sister in the game of dolls' marriages. So, what was the concept in the mind of the person, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, who was the first president of independent India? Independent India रे जो आमर राष्ट्रपति थिले तांकर मनरे मैरिज को लेकर धारणा कौन थिला? What he knew or how much he knew about the marriage? बुझेला? So I used to join my sister in the game of dolls' marriage. कंढे खेल रे मैरिज कथा से जानी थिले, and during the childhood days he used to play along with his sister. That much only the concept he had gathered. सेतिकी ही से जानी थिले. To me, my own marriage was not much different, and he thought, or he has written here, my own marriage was not much different. तांकर मैरिज भी आउसे कंढे खेल ठार किछि अलगा नथिला. The same thing it was going to be done in his marriage. That is what the writer has written here for the reader. I neither understood the importance of the marriage nor felt its responsibility. As I told you, देखो, in today's world we are discussing the Indian culture. When you are enough experienced and when you are enough matured, if your age is perfect, then the marriages and the arrangements are done by your family members, that they search for a girl for you. They search for a girl for you. No, जितने आम enough experienced हो जाऊ, mature हो जाऊ, and when we have a job, जितने आम पाकर job आस जाता है, and when we have all the responsibilities, and when we know the society and our surrounding, the family members feels or the parents feel that yes, my son is ready to get married and we should search for a girl. बुझे लगे ना, ब्राइड खोजिबार दायित्व आसीगला बोलिकर भाबू. But it was quite difficult task on the part of people of those periods. बुझिगला से सब समय सेतबेले सेमती तांकर एज नथिला, and they didn't know much about marriage. They didn't have a lot of concepts. They didn't know much about the reaction, emotions. They didn't know about it. The bridegroom and the bride, I am telling you. बुझिला झियो आ पुओ मानकर भीतर एते धारणा नथिला. As I told you, the writer has written here, it was not different from the doll's marriage. बुझिला से माने गोटे मिछि मिछि के खेलुथिले जो कंढे को मैरिज करबा जिंस से भले ताटो किछि अलगा नथिला बोलिकर से फील करथले. So I neither understood the importance of the marriage nor felt its responsibility. बुझिला he was just a machine. He was just like a machine. बुझिला which was being run by someone else. That kind of something the story it is written here. बुझिला मैरिज भलिया गोटे जिनस एटा होची गोटे गुरुत्वर बा गोटे सेंसिटिव बा गोटे बहुत गुरुत्वपूर्ण जिनस लाइफ रे. इट कम्स वंस इन आवर लाइफ, बट द एल्डर मेंबर्स ऑफ डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद arranged his marriage at the early age when he was in the 5th standard and when he was only 13 years old. बुझिला. So that is why the writer was not able to gather the importance of the marriage, and he didn't have that much responsibility for a marriage or for his marriage. बुझिला माने सेति से गुरुत्वपूर्ण चिंता करि पर नथले आ तांको रेस्पोंसिबिलिटी सेमति किछि नथिला मैरिजेस पय. बुझिला that means we can say in another word, he was not that much experienced and he was not that much matured to get married. मैरिज करबा पय तांकर परफेक्ट जिंसो तांक पाखरे माने तांकर हम कहबा रेस्पोंसिबिलिटी जेतिके जो तांकर रहिबा कथा दायित्वबोधता नथिला. बुझिला I had no hand in setting the match. बुझिला से कहउछंती I had hand in the setting. I had no hand in setting the match. That means there was no such connections. It was set by the elder members of both of the family. Neither he knew the girl, बुझिला, neither he knew the girl nor he knew the family members of the girl. There was no such connections between them. तांको भीतर सेमती किछि कनेक्शन नथिला. It was set by the family members of both the family, the parents of the both of the family. These जनकर marriage set इतला. Yes, I went through the ceremonies like an automation. जेमति मु कहली, he was like a machine. He was just a machine there. बुझिला, he was a machine which was being run by someone else, and we knew that who were the आमे कोइ परिबा किए चलाउथला तांको, the members, the family members, the parents, हैला. हां, that means whatever they say he is bound to do, and the same thing it was being done by the person Dr. Rajendra Prasad when he was just a small kid and he was not ready to get married and he didn't have that much concept on marriage. बुझिला As I told you,
Yes.
he didn't have that much responsibility and he didn't know the importance of the marriage. ମ୍ୟାରେଜର ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାନ୍ସ ବିଷୟରେ ଜାଣିନଥିଲେ, ତାଙ୍କର ଦାୟିତ୍ୱବୋଧତା କ'ଣ ରହିବ ସେ ବିଷୟରେ ବି ଜାଣିନଥିଲେ, ବୁଝିହେଲା। So I went through the ceremonies like an automation or doing whatever the pandit or the women of the house told me to do. So he didn't know much about it, as I told you, and here he was doing the same which was being told by the pandit and or the other women of the house. जो कथा कहते स्त्री लोक मैंने आ पंडित जहाँ कहते द सेम थिंग इट वाज बीइंग डन बाय द राइटर डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद, बुझिला, ऑन द शादी मंडप रे जहाँ कह जाउतला से ताहा ही करथले, बट he didn't have any kind of knowledge
No, I don't idea.
of the importance of the marriage and he didn't have that much responsibility of marriage.
Yes.
I could hardly understand what had happened, बुझिला।
Mother.
Just he was going to understand, yes, the marriage was going to be arranged and the marriage was going to be done, that much only he knew, but what was happening throughout the ceremony he didn't know, बुझिला। all the things were being done by the elder members of both the family, no.
Mother.
All that I knew was that someone would come into my house as my wife, just as my brother's wife had come. So what or how much he knew, कहते से कौन से जानितले about that marriage ceremony, that a new guest was going to enter into his family like his brother's wife had come, बुझिला। जने नुआ family members आसुची मोरो घर को and she comes as my wife or she would come as my wife, बुझिला, से मोर वाइफ भाव आसूला एंड द सेम जोटा कि आगुर हो सारी माने मोर भाई रो वाइफ जब आसला द सेम थिंग वाज गोइंग टू बी डन, दैट इज व्हाट ही न्यू, बुझिला। आफ्टर द मैरिज इज ओवर समटाइम्स द ब्राइड डजंट accompany the groom to his home immediately. So it was their tradition, it was their costume. After the marriage is over, sometimes the bride doesn't accompany the groom to his immediately. Sometime later, another small party goes to fetch the girl. Fetch, F-E-T-C-H. Fetch माने जाई आनीबा, हला। The meaning of fetch. This ceremony is known as Duragaman, हला। This was so in my case. We returned home after 2 days stay in the bride's house. Duragaman was performed a year later when my wife came into our house. देखो, after the marriage is over, as we know, some of the costume of marriage ceremonies or wedding ceremonies, after the marriage is over, the wife comes or that bride comes to the house of bridegroom, नहीं की? But sometimes the bride doesn't accompany the groom to his home immediately. But sometimes bride doesn't come with the groom, बुझिला, and to bring him or to bring her, ताको आनिबा पाई another small party is arranged, हला। another small party is arranged to fetch the girl. bride को आनिबा पाई आ गोटे party arrangement हेता है, and this ceremony is known as Duragaman. Yes, you might have seen in the invitation cards there is written below, लिखा जाता है कौन जे दुरागमन केते बेले, बुझिला कि नहीं? that means that is the time to come from the home, when the bride comes from the home, बुझिला, that is known as Duragaman, बुझिला। So this was so in my case we returned home after 2 days stay in the bride's house. So we returned home after 2 days stay in the bride's house. So as I told you, it was too difficult task to come to the bridegroom's house. It was a 2 days of journey, 2 दिन यात्रा थिला. So they had to stay in the bride's house. The bridegroom's family or the party had to stay in the house of bride. Bride घर रहिवार थिला, 2 दिन सेमान रहिले to fetch the girl, बुझिला। झियो को आनिबार थिला, सेति पई सेमान को रहिले सेमान 2 दिन, बुझिला। Duragaman was performed a year later when my wife came into our house. But the Duragaman festival, the Duragaman ceremony was performed a year later when my wife came into our house. ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆସିଲା ତାପରେ 1 ବର୍ଷ ପରେ ଏଇ ଦୁରାଗମନ ସେରିମନିଟି ହେଲା, ବୁଝିଲା। We were strict observers. We are coming to the next paragraph. Let's see. We were strict observers of Purda. That is another ceremony which is known as Purda. So what is that Purda? discussed by the writer or written by the writer here. I remember when my brother's wife came to our house, she brought two maid servants, and she could talk only to them. She had a room to herself. As we know, Indian families are very conservative families, both strict, and they
Yes.
always obey the rules and regulations of the family.
Yes, yes,
And
yes, sir.
on the part of a girl, it is too difficult task to come out from the house. ବୁଝିଲା गोटे
Yes,
स्त्री पक्षरे गोटे झील पक्षरे घर बाहरटा बहुत कष्टकर काठिकर व्यापार थिला एज दे हाड टू स्टे एट होम एंड दे हाड टू फॉलो ऑल द रूल्स बुझीगला सो
Yes.
द राइटर हैज मेंशन्ड व्हाट इट वाज हैपेंड इन द मैरिज ऑफ हिज ब्रदर हला एंड व्हाट डिड हिज ब्रदर्स वाइफ did बुझेला and what were the arrangements for the brother's wife made by
Brother's wife.
the family members of Dr. Rajendra Prasad से कौन कहउछन तांकर भाईंकर वाइफ विषय I remember when my brother's wife came to our house, she brought two maid servants. She brought two maid servants. तांकर साथी आनिथिल दुटा निजर दुई जण सर्वेंट बुझेला and she could talk only to them. सेमाने केवल तांको ही कथा हेबे बुझेला
Yes.
she had a room to herself and she never came even into the veranda. मुझे एमती कहते they were or the ladies or the girls or the brides were not allowed to come out from the house
Veranda.
and they were not allowed to come to or into the veranda. बुझेला veranda को आसवा ପାଇଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ allow ନଥିଲା କାହାକୁ brides ମାନଙ୍କୁ ବା ନୂଆ ବୋହୂ ମାନଙ୍କୁ ବୁଝେଲା and also similarly none was permitted to enter the courtyard except the cook and tender aged boy servants who along with their mothers had frequented courtyard except the cook and tender aged boy servants who along with their mothers had frequented the place in their childhood बुझेला एक कथा कहै जे nobody was allowed to enter into the house of the bride or that new coming girls बुझेला न्यू कमर्स जो माने जो नुआ बा नुआ बहु आसी थांती तांको पई अलगा प्रकार अरेंजमेंट करा जाय थाए एंड दे ब्रिंग देयर ओन मेड सर्वेंट्स फ्रॉम देयर विलेज तांकर गाँ रु निज निजर मेड सर्वेंट मान को समान धर करी आसी थांती सो नन वाज परमिटेड टू एंटर द कॉर्टियर्ड से एरिया रे माने से जगह रे काहा को भी अलाउ नथिला एक्सेप्ट द कुक एंड टेंडर एज्ड बॉय सर्वेंट लेखो लिखिल माने जे कोमल थाए माने जे किछि काम पई फिक्स होई थाए जोटा कि आमे कहबा टिके टेंडर एज हां 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 लिखि चलो boy servants who along with their mothers had frequented the place in their childhood जो माने तांकर मां को सहित आगुरु अंगांगी भाव जड़ित थांती द कुक had to give a loud warning before he could walk across the courtyard to the kitchen but before going to enter the courtyard of newcomers or newcomer girls the cook had to give a loud warning before he could walk across the courtyard to the kitchen को जीवा पूर्व कुक बा रोसेर काम थिला जोर रे साउंड कर डाकिबा बुझेला yes if he required anything a maid servant got it for him and if anything that new lady needed he had to tell it to the maid servant and the maid servant was there get it for him बुझेला जहाँ किसी भी दरकार थिला से किचन वाला बा से कुक कौन कोथला मेड सर्वेंट को कोथला हु वाज वेरी क्लोज टू द न्यू कमर गर्ल बुझेला जे आसीते नुआ बोवा नुआ झियो जे आस्ते ता पई गोटे मेड सर्वेंट अरेंजमेंट हेता एंड बिफोर कमिंग टू एंटर इनटू द किचन द कुक हैड टू गिव अ लाउड वॉइस और लाउड वार्निंग गोटे लाउड वार्निंग देला परे द मेड सर्वेंट गॉट इट फॉर हिम जहाँ की भी किसी आनिके ताकू दौथला इफ एनीथिंग ही रिक्वायर्ड किसी दरकार थिला बोल कहले मेड सर्वेंट आनिके दौथला ताकू when my sister-in-law wanted to go for her bath everyone was cleared out of the courtyard जेतेबेले से भाउजो तांकर हला when my sister-in-law भाउजो हैं when my sister-in-law was wanted to go for her bath जेतेबेले से गाधवा पय जाउथले everyone was cleared out of the courtyard समस्ते रास्ता छाड़ी दउथले बुझिया लागे नै जेतेबेले if it is माने जदि गहली अछि बा से जगह किए अछंती मेल पर्सन्स दैट मीन्स दे हैड टू get themselves out from that place or from that area से जगह छाड़ी से पड़ौले सो नॉट इवन अ बॉय वाज अलाउड टू हैंग अराउंड से जगह बुलिया पे गोटे बॉय को भी परमिशन नथिला बुझिला फॉर एडेड प्रोटेक्शन टू मेड सर्वेंट्स वुड कैरी बेडशीट एज कॉटन ऑन आइदर साइड से कौन करते तार विपरीत बा से जीवा जगह कौन करते बेडशीट आउ कॉटन टांगी दौले बुझेला एंड इट वाज द जॉब ऑफ टू मेड सर्वेंट्स बुझेला दैट मीन्स कहार भी छाई पड़ू नथिला से नुआ बोहू मान को बुझेला द सेम थिंग इट इज रिटन हियर बाय द राइटर एंड इट इज द experience which was gathered by the writer Dr. Rajendra Prasad. What were those arrangements made by his family members for a newcomer girl or a bride to the family? Hala, how she is being treated and what were those facilities and what were the rules and regulations of the family for a newcomer girl or a bride. Bushela? So, when at last she walked to the bath and after that she was walking for her bath. Okay, say newcomer wife. She would pull on her veil. ओढ़णी टांगी आसुवा veil VIL ओढ़णी है. She would माने टाणी ओढ़णी ताकू पूरा तळकू करिके she used to go. Even when my mother, aunt or sister entered her room. हाँ से कहउछन्ती एठी she would pull on her veil even when my mother, aunt or sister entered her room. जेतेबेले मो माँ मो मौसी मो भौणी आसुले रूम तांको रूम को सी वुड पुल ऑन हर वेल तांकर ओढ़ना को कौन करथिले टिके नोही दउथिले बुझियला दैट मीन्स इट इज आल्सो द सेम थिंग इट इज गोइंग ऑन इन टुडेज वर्ल्ड इन इंडियन कल्चर इंडियन कॉस्ट्यूम दैट व्हेन ए न्यू कमर वाइफ और अ ब्राइड appears to her mother in law or brother in law बुझियला कि नहीं सी पुल्स ऑन हर veil बुझियला से कौन करे सब बेले ओढ़ना को टिके टाणी कर रखे बेसिकली इट इज बीइंग और इट इज गोइंग ऑन ओडिशा आल्सो बा हमर ओडिशा कल्चर इफ यू सी द कॉस्ट्यूम ऑफ ओडिशा द रूल इज आल्सो बीइंग द रूल इज आल्सो गोइंग ऑन टुडे बुझियला सो नो मेड सर्वेंट ऑफ जरडाई कुड गो टू हर रूम कौन सी मेड सर्वेंट वाज नॉट अलाउड टू go to her room. Which room you are discussing? The wife of his brother. The system, the rules and the regulations made for her. Bujela, it was not rules and regulations. It was actually the custom of their family. Bujela, tankor culture, tankor tradition. Bujela, mane kahar bhi chai tanku podu nathila. Bujela. So except for once or twice as a boy, I had never seen her face. Thore ki di thoro. Hardly the person Dr. Rajendra Prasad had seen her face once or twice when he was a boy. जेतेबेले से गोटे बालक थिले ओनली थरे कि दिथर ही तांकर फेस को देखिचंती बुझिला when my wife came to Zaradai she had to act likewise and the writer has mentioned here the same thing was going to be done when my wife came to Zaradai. जेतेबेले my wife बोले तांको स्त्री जेतेबेले आसिला she had to act likewise तांको पाई बोली से भले arrangements थिला बुझेला like it was done for his brother's wife but after a long time the rules were relaxed but after a long time किछि दिन परे से rules गुडा को कोन होतला relax हे जाउतला so we came to know about the marriage ceremony or the wedding ceremony which was or which हमें कोई परिवार it was the marriage of Dr. Rajendra Prasad Bujila who didn't know much about it and he didn't have that much responsibility on marriage and he didn't know even the importance of the marriage and he had to act like a machine and he was being run by the family members Bujila and finally he got married at the age of 13 and when he was in the 5th standard Bujila and he had also he had also written here how his marriage was set or arranged Bujila when he didn't know and his effort was quite nil only he gave some answers to the father and the brother of the father of the bride Bujila one more word we should write it here automation AUTOMATON बिल्कुल machine जोड़ा लिखा है and nuptial बोले वेडिंग सेरेमनी इन अनदर वर्ड दैट इज नोन एज निप्टियल सेरेमनी बुझेला ना
yes sir
आज ये था हैं
हाँ जी